Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday, not at HomeGrown HomeSewn today. I am at H+H Americas in Chicago, and this is the lovely Sarah Thomas from Sari Diddy, and this is her new line. Tell us about your new line, Sarah.
So it's really tranquil, hence the name Tranquility. It's a lot of soft grays. It's all grayscale between marshmallow whites, pewter, charcoal. Right here you can see everything on this lovely houndstooth quilt that our friend Sarah made.
She did impeccable work.
It's so good. But this one is a great one to really show all of the prints in a decent format. It's not too large, not too small. It's a little bit like the Goldilocks pattern in my opinion. And that's a fat quarter friendly pattern.
Excellent.
So you can use your fat quarter bundle.
Love it.
Boom. But there are, let me grab the little roll. Okay.
This is great. I love this.
Okay, so this is all 25 prints.
Perfect.
But we are going to still have some color.
How excited am I?
I know, right? So these are 16 Bellas that already exist, but we were able to specially select them, and they'll be available in Precuts as well, which I'm so excited about.
I am too.
Then we've got patterns that I wrote to be totally fat quarter bundle friendly. So this is a fat quarter bundle of Tranquility.
We're going to get that kit. Don't worry. We're going to kit it.
And a fat quarter bundle of the Bellas.
I love it.
And then all you need is your background fabric, which I went with one of the Tranquility. I call it Diddy Dust.
I love it.
Because it's just all the cute little...
It is. It's like a ditzy print.
Right. It's like sparkle. It's the glitter without actual shine.
Yeah.
Right. So it's so fun. It's calm. It's serene. Nothing is so big that you have to worry about fussy cutting anything.
Oh, that's
so
nice.
it's just sort of a chop it and go. And I wanted to just embrace sort of a new calm season in life. So when this ships in November, FYI,
Excellent. November. Look for it.
which is perfect, I know, for the Midwest as we go into those like wintry months. But this is going to be great. You can make snowflakes out of it. Yes. In
Are we
fact,
loving
here,
it?
let me grab
I'm
this
loving it. We're gonna order it, so don't worry.
Here it is on the agave pattern. So
Oh
it looks
my
like
gosh.
pretty snowflakes.
I love that.
Isn't that so fun?
It's so fun.
But then you can mix and match any of the Bella colors with some of my patterns. And so these are just the 3 aquas
Perfect.
pulled in. And so it's just fun to like play with a color palette.
I love
you
that.
Love, that is still soft. It's still calm. It's serene. It's all the things. Reading a good book and drinking a good cup of coffee.
You're speaking my language.
I know, right? I'm so excited.
Well, thank you.
Yes.
We're gonna walk around. I'm gonna show you a couple more booths, okay? So come with me. Say bye. All right, this is Elizabeth Hartman's booth. Look at, say hi. She's amazing. Her colors are amazing. I'm gonna have to make the koala, the panda, and the tiger. You know this because you know my kids. Who else do we have around here? We have Stephanie. Look, there's Stephanie. Fancy that design house. What? Oh, say hi.
Hi.
This is Janet. Janet Claire.
Nice to meet you.
Yes. All right, so we know we love Stephanie, right? We know. Say hi. And we have Stacy. We love Stacy also. We're doing our Fresh and Fab video.
It's so good to see
Good
you.
to
I
see
saw
you.
you from a distance.
Oh yeah. I'll be back to talk to you.
Yes.
All right, and then we have Sherry. Look at her beautiful line. This is amazing, right? Are we loving this? Don't worry, we're gonna order all of it. And one of our favorite people, Robin. Say hi. Don't worry, we're gonna get that too. The bees are amazing. You're gonna love those wide backs. I'm not kidding, people. All right, and look at all these booths as we walk by. I'm gonna be meeting with a lot of these designers today. All sorts of fun stuff. It's gonna be super great. Love it. There's Vanessa from Lella Boutique. You know my love of magic dots, people. I have talked about this before. My love of magic dots is really high. So I'm loving this. Don't worry, we're gonna get that whole line. All of them. We need all of them. Look at all this. Okay, so that is our Fresh and Fab for this week. I hope you guys look at this fun photo booth. Look at that. How amazing is it? Okay, so we do have a new line in the shop from Moda. It is Camille Ross Kelly. It's a cat named Stitch. That is in the shop now, and the coordinating solids, so you can pick that up online or in the shop. And just remember, we do not have a show this Sunday because it is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the moms and mom-like people out there. We hope you have a great weekend, and happy quilting. Bye.